Hey, welcome to this Gymkhana video. Check out the sound of this GSXR 750. I think pretty much the best bike you can possibly have for this type of work. Power that rivals a 1000. Weight lower than I think any 600 I've ever driven. This bike weighs in, ready to ride at 154 kilos. So, very nice bike to ride. I think it's probably lighter than the Kawasaki 400 that Tim, a friend of mine and someone with whom we have been training now this season, and yeah, you can really see the progress he has made. It's not like it's a challenge yet to follow him, but it is an enjoyable pace. He's very good through the slalom. I can really notice that entering the turns, that is where I can make up most. Like here, he's coasting a little bit, instead of keeping the pace high and then braking at the last moment into the turn. Let's try and see if I can overtake him in one rotation, and I can. Let's get on to the next lap. I'll give him a chance to catch up again. Let's follow him some more, after having shown him how it should be done. You can also really notice that with the power of this 750 compared to the 400, I can make the turns and such a little bit tighter than he can and still exit properly with the help of the low down grunt. Ooh, there I bumped the camera into the handlebar. The bike is not really set up for me anymore, but for Lineke instead, who normally rides it. But I managed to borrow it for this one day. You can really see how easy the 750 rotates compared to the Kawasaki. Even with the idle fairly low, which is 3,500 RPM, it still has way more grunt than I need to exit the rotation straight away with the wheelie. But also during the rotation, never the need to give it any extra throttle. If you release the rear brake completely, it will straighten up the bike immediately. So it's a very nice and easy bike to rotate. It won't stall you, like here. Tim clearly has enough of it and wants to play tag a bit and try and see if he can keep up with me, so let's give him what he wants. I really love the sound of the 750. We train like this on a fairly regular basis. We try and do it every week, of course. I can't always make it, but still, this is what we do to train and be fit for also racing on track. It's a very cheap way to train, and if you can master the power of a 750 like this with the gearing that we're running here and at these low speeds, then handling a super bike at high speeds is no problem. So see you later in the next video.